This is a video tutorial on how to generate a CNC program for profile milling and circular pocketing using Mastercam. So let's consider this diagram as an example. So first the diagram is analyzed and coordinates are marked on the diagram. We need a personal computer with Mastercam software installed in it. So first Mastercam software is opened.
First, the horizontal line is created. Create option is selected. Line horizontal. Specify the first endpoint 0, 0. Second endpoint 18, 0. A line is created. Similarly, the horizontal lines are created like in this way. Similarly, the vertical lines are created. Create line vertical. We can create a line using the endpoints. Now the arc is created. Create arc, polar, center point. Enter the center point. Comma 13. Radius 24. Initial angle. Final angle. Arc is created. The angle is increased in both sides so that the tangent will meet intersect properly. Circle is created in the similar way. Create arc, polar, center point. 3, 13. Radius 35. Initial angle and final angle is given as 0. Similarly, this arc is also created. Now the tangent line is created using create line, tangent, point, select the arc, end point, enter. Tangent line is created. Similarly, it is created in here also. The unnecessary arcs are deleted using trim option. Modify, trim two entities. Select the two entities that we have in our diagram. For contouring, toolpath, contour, file name is provided. Chain, select any entity. Close. Right side is end here. Done. Parameters. In contouring depth is provided. -3 in NC. First 3 parameters are changed. And the last one, a program number is given. Accept this toolpath, yes. End program. Run the pros processor, yes. Save. Program is generated. Now for pocketing, similarly toolpath, pocket, program name is given. Chain, select the first entity, close, end here, done. Pocketing depth is provided. It's given in positive. See, similarly first 3 parameters are changed. First 2 change. Done. All done. Accept the toolpath segment, yes. End the program. Run the process, yes. Save. Program for pocketing is generated. Now the dimensions are created using create, drafting, dimension, horizontal. 2 endpoints are selected. Similarly, the other dimensions are also marked.